Hello everyone, and welcome back to Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. The next area of artificial intelligence we're going to look at is robotics. This is an exciting area and tons of development going on here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the material. So robotics combined with artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks with minimal human intervention. In this lesson, we're going to look at the definition of robotics, practical uses of the technology, major advances, challenges, and highlight the leading robotics companies. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the material. So to frame up our discussion of robotics, let's start with a formal definition. Robotics involves the design, creation, and operation of robots, which are machines programmed to perform specific tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. When combined with AI, robots can perceive their environment, make decisions, and execute actions with varying degrees of autonomy. And I think we're going to flesh out this definition. We're going to look at several examples of robotic type systems and some of the advancements and challenges that are going on with robotics today. But primarily the uses are industrial robots, which really help in production, but there are lots of other uses as well, and we're going to explore some of those. Probably the industrial robots have gotten the most attention over the last few years, but there's a lot of new and exciting applications that are being developed now. So let's go take a look at some of those. So let's look at some more practical uses of robotics. The first one we already talked about a little bit, manufacturing and industrial automation. Robotics plays a crucial role in automating repetitive tasks in manufacturing industries such as assembly, welding, packaging, improving efficiency, precision, and productivity. The next area is healthcare and assistive robotics, and robots are used to assist in healthcare settings, including surgery, rehabilitation, elderly care, augmented human capabilities, and enhancing patient outcomes. So a lot of press around robotics used in surgery can even facilitate remote surgery where a surgeon is located somewhere else and the surgery is done in a remote location. So lots of advances and applications within the healthcare setting. Agriculture and farming. Robotics is used in agriculture for tasks like harvesting, planting, monitoring crop health, and increasing productivity and reducing manual labor. So the theme is anywhere that you can employ robotics to either improve efficiency or precision in a task, there's a lot of applications for robotics across a wide spectrum of applications. The last one we'll talk about here, and it's really a cool area, is search and rescue. Robotics equipped with AI capabilities aid in search and rescue operations, exploring hazardous environments and locating survivors. So again, you can send a robot into an extremely dangerous situation where you don't want to endanger human lives, sending into either very hazardous conditions, and robots can assist in all of those types of things. So that's a wide summary of practical uses of robotics across a wide spectrum of different applications and industries. So let's take a look at some of the major advances in robotics. The first one is autonomous navigation. Advances in AI and sensor technologies have enabled robots to navigate and map their environments autonomously and allow them to perform complex tasks in a dynamic environment. So the autonomous navigation, you're seeing a lot of that with the self-driving car and advances in that technology. We're probably still several years away from wide-scale deployment of that technology, but tons of advances going on there. Human-robot interaction. Robots are being designed with advanced natural language processing and computer vision capabilities, enabling more natural and intuitive human-robot interaction. So again, a combination of multiple technologies and multiple areas within artificial intelligence combined with robotics to design more autonomous human-robot interaction. Swarm robotics involves the coordination of a group of robots working collaboratively, mimicking behaviors observed in nature and enabling collective problem solving. So tons of work going on there as well. And soft robotics utilizes flexible materials, innovative designs to mimic the dexterity and adaptability of biological systems, opening up new possibilities in human-robot interaction and complex tasks. So having a more flexible hand, for example, can allow for much more precision in different types of robotic applications. So that's just one example of that. But those are some of the major advances we're seeing in robotics today. Now let's look at some of the challenges in robotic development. The first one is perception and sensing. Robots face challenges in accurately perceiving and interpreting the environment through sensors, which can impact their decision making and task execution. So still that fusion of different types of technology, including things like machine learning, not just a pure application of robotics, but applying different areas of AI for decision making and perception. Manipulating and grasping, achieving precise and dexterous manipulation of objects is still a challenge for robots, especially in unstructured and dynamic environments. The next area is safety and ethics, ensuring the safe operation of robots, addressing ethical concerns, and defining appropriate regulations are an ongoing challenge. So that's one thing in technology is as technology advances at such a rapid rate, it's difficult sometimes for regulations to keep pace with new technology as it's being developed and deployed. The last area is uncertainty and adaptability. Robots must be able to handle uncertainty and adapt to changing conditions and make decisions in real time, which requires robust AI algorithms and sensing capabilities. So these are some of the challenges as these systems mature and take on more sophisticated applications. These areas need further development to allow robots to take on more complex and ambiguous types of tasks. Let's take a look at some of the leading robotics companies in the market today. The first one is Boston Dynamics, and they're known for their agile and advanced robots. Boston Dynamics focuses on creating dynamic robots capable of performing various physical tasks with AI integration. So if you ever get a chance, check out some of their videos online. Some really incredible stuff from Boston Dynamics. The next one is ABB, which is a global leader in industrial robotics, providing solutions for manufacturing, transportation, and the energy industries. The next one is Fonk, and Fonk specializes in industrial robotics and automated solutions, offering a wide range of robotic systems for manufacturing processes. So industrial robots have been around for a long time, and now they're getting even more sophisticated, and Fonk is one of the leaders in the market today. KUKA is a prominent robotics company offering industrial robots for various applications, including automotive, aerospace, and healthcare. So those are some of the leading companies in the market today. You can go check them out on the web and see some of the products that they're developing really some incredible stuff. Particularly Boston Dynamics really has some fantastic videos that you should go check out online. In summary, robotics in conjunction with AI is causing a significant transformation in various industries and changing tasks that were once carried out solely by humans. The practical applications of robotics extends across a number of different sectors that we looked at, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and search and rescue operations. A lot of progress has been made in autonomous navigation, things with human-robot interaction, swarm robotics, and soft robotics. So we looked at some of these major advances, and we looked at some of the challenges that are still existing in areas such as perception, manipulation, safety, and adaptability. And finally, we looked at some leading companies in the field of robotics, such as Boston Dynamics, ABB, and Fonk. That's it for this lesson. We took a quick look at robotics, tons of cool and exciting things going on. That's it for this lesson. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.